A Canadian national is dead and entertainer Damien Roden, popularly known as Munga Honorable, in serious condition at hospital following a three-vehicle collision along the Mandela Highway this morning. Dead is 26-year-old Canadian national Tashana Kumbamak, while entertainer Munga Honorable and another man, a male passenger, were seriously injured. Head of the JCF's Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Senior Superintendent Calvin Allen, says it happened about 5:15 this morning.
Toyota Oxio motorcar was traveling eastbound on the Mandela, and just after passing that overpass bridge and heading down to Plantation Heights, the driver lost control of the vehicle. In fact, we are learning that the driving that was taking place was somewhat reckless. So he lost control, hit into the median that divides the carriageway of that corridor, ended up on the westbound side where it collided into a Toyota Hilux pickup and a Suzuki Vitara that was traveling in the westbound side of the carriageway.
SSP Allen says investigators are trying to determine who was driving the Toyota Axia motorcar which caused the crash. Meanwhile, the entertainer's attorney, Christopher Townsend, gave an update on his client's condition.
He has suffered chest injuries. I've been told that he has been stabilized and it has moved from critical to stable. So we are watching the developments.